Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing us how to make homemade activated charcoal or activated carbon. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I have my charcoal here. This charcoal is made from woods or logs. Yeah, so I'll go ahead to wash it. I'm going to be washing this twice. You need to wash it thoroughly. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Nimanambe and I make videos on food recipes and home remedies. Please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. So this charcoal, you need to wash it so well. Activated charcoal has a lot of health benefits and a lot of uses. I'll be listing that. I'll be mentioning that in later part of this video. Okay, so after washing, I'm just going to go ahead to dry it on my strainer. You can as well dry it on a plain surface. Okay? So as we are waiting for the charcoal to get dry, the next ingredient we are going to be using is lemon. And I have here 5 medium size of lemon. Okay, I'm going to be juicing that out. I'm going to extract the juice into this container here. So I am using 5 medium size lemon. It depends on how much lemon you have and how effective you want this activated charcoal to be. So I'm using 5. Okay, so yeah, I've just extracted the juice. I'm going to go ahead to add some water to it. Yes guys, if you're loving this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. So yes, this is the amount of lemon juice that I had. I'm going to go ahead to add some water to dilute it. Okay, so yes, it doesn't matter how much water you use, but you have to look at the amount of charcoal that you are using, then you use the water that will be enough. So our charcoal is ready, is dry enough. So I'm going to go ahead to crush that in my mortar and pestle. You can as well use your blender if your blender is strong enough. Okay, so yes, you need to crush this so well that you get the particles into a desired shape or desired size. Okay, so we are going to be using 2 sizes of this activated charcoal. So I am just crushing this. So guys, this is a particle size that I am going for. As you can see, some are powdered and others are not. It's fine. We are going to be using it like that. Okay, so I am transferring it into a bigger container. That is where we are going to mix or make our activated charcoal. Okay, so yes, I'm pouring this into this bigger container. I mentioned earlier on that I'm going to be mentioning some of the uses of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal can be used to whiten the teeth. Yes, you heard me right. It can be used to make the teeth whiter. It can also be used to neutralize poison. Mostly when someone consumes poison, the first aid is that they should take in activated charcoal. Yes, those are the 2 uses of activated charcoal. I'm going to be mentioning others later in the video too. So yes, after transferring it into this container, I am going to go ahead to pour in the lemon solution or the lemon mixture. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead to stir it right away. After that, I'll be covering this and then I'll keep it for 24 hours. You need a tight fitting lid with the container. You need to keep it for 24 hours, and this is 24 hours later. Guys, pardon me for my breath. Okay, I'm just losing breath as I'm talking to you guys right now. So this is 24 hours time, and then I'm pouring it into my strainer. I'm going to go ahead to put some water to wash it out, to wash the lemon juice out. By now, our activated charcoal is ready, but then we still have some steps to go ahead to make it usable. Okay, so I added some water and I'm straining that out. So let's continue with the uses of activated charcoal. It can be used to extract odors or remove bad smell in your kitchen, your fridge or freezer. Okay, so you just put some of the activated charcoal in a small container and then put it in your room, any corner, or in your fridge to extract this bad energy and bad odors. Yes, that is another use of activated charcoal. So after straining it out, I'm going to go ahead to dry it on a plain surface. Yes, so after spreading it out on this plain surface, I'm going to be drying it in the sun. You can as well use your dehydrator to dehydrate it, or you can put it in your microwave, yes, to just dehydrate it and make it dry, or you can also put it in your burner. Okay, just roast it a little, it's going to get dry. So this is after it's dry, as you can see, and I'm trying to separate the smaller particles from the large particles. So yes, we'll be using both the smaller one and then the large one. So I'm separating these large ones out. So the large ones are mostly what is used in extracting the bad odors and all that. Then the smaller ones, I'm going to go ahead again to grind it in a very tiny powder. Yes, that is what we are going to be using to clean our teeth, whiten our teeth and all that. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time and support. See you in the next video. Bye.